If gusto mo ng sulit na tour, Cebu is the place to be. For as low as 10k pesos per person, more or less, you can make most out of it. From adventure-packed activities to chill beach vibes, lahat ng hanap mo, andito na. Dito mo makikita ang blues of water na parang nasa postcard. Plus, maraming tourist attraction na hindi mo dapat palampasin. Pero wait, there's more! It's also a place na parang nasa pelikula. From jaw-dropping views to unforgettable adventures, lahat ng feels complete package. Excitement, thrill, and of course, konting chill moment din. If you're into adventures, beaches, city vibe, at gustong makamit ng super mababait na locals, then this is your next destination na for sure, babalikan mo. So, get ready for the cliff jump, sea dives, beach views, and city tours. It's time to explore Cebu like never before. And welcome to
House of Lechon! 30 Roses! Paris Cebu! Temple of Leia! Buwan-buwan!
Kaya isang libong kulay ng aking kumakaway. Piliin mo ang Pilipinas.
We're in Naiya, Terminal 3. Yan, si Thailand boy yan.
Sawari ka!
Hindi na ako naglalagay ng mic kasi feeling ko kasi pag naglalagay ako ng mic di ko to, baka malaglag ko, sayang. Naglipat kami ng gamit kasi nag-excess yung dala namin. Supposed to be 20 kg max lang. Okay, so we purchased a hair case para lalagyan na lang lahat. So mayroon siyang charger dito. Kasama lahat sila in just one space. Pag local yung travel mo, like inside Philippines ka lang naman, no need for travel tax. Pero if you're international, kahit Thailand na walang visa, you need some travel tax. Pero ang travel tax around 1.2 lang, diba? 1.5 something each. Then you have to fit everything, the data of you. But locally, wala namang problem. We're here in domestic entrance. Ayan. So, ang kailangan mo sa domestic entrance is passport and the travel pass. Kahit yung sa phone or QR code, pwede na yun. Pero kung may paper kayo, okay lang din. So, we're here in boarding pass. Tapos, nag-announce na 1 lang daw yung hand carry. I guess, magbabas pa kami pupunta doon sa airplane. Kasi somewhere lang away yung airplane doon. Kailangan muna namin mag-pass. Guys, katabi namin yung flight attendant. Ang Cebu ay nasa gitna ng Visayas at ang pinaka-best starting point ay magstay sa city. We just landed in Cebu, Mactan! As of now, bibili muna kami ng groceries, water, and SD card kasi wala SD card yung action cam ko. Magiging useless siya for the pioneering. Okay, so magpo-party kami later on. Cloud City, Cebu, we will try that one. Sana may mga afaman, mga 30s, 40s, 50s. Alam niyo naman mga sugar babies ang atake namin. Outfit check. Ang ganda natin sa camera. And one problem you encounter here in Cebu is yung car parking. Sobrang hirap makahanap ng car parking na mura or free at all.
I want it.
Anong sabi mo sa bar?
Sobrang saya.
Sobrang saya po, nagpakaulaw ng todo-todo.
Nakita din namin ang CC Lex na tinaguriang longest bridge in the Philippines as of now.
Welcome
Matagal mag-close ang 10K Roses kaya perfect spot ito para sa city tour. A must visit lalo na kung mahilig ka sa rose theme design at aesthetic lighting. Isa itong Korean theme cafe na may 10,000 LED power roses na nagbabago ng kulay kaya mas maganda itong puntahan paggabi para ma-experience mo yung magical glow at mas bongga rin ang view kung nasa taas ka kasi kita mo lahat ng roses na parang sea of lights. FYI, plastic lang siya at hindi totoong roses. Pero promise, hindi mababawasan ng ganda ng experience. Bukod sa pagiging tourist attraction, may cafe din ito kung saan pwede kang mag-chill at mag-enjoy ng coffee at iba pang treats. Perfect spots for photos, date nights, or simple chill na moment.
So ngayon, pupunta na naman kami ng Ayala para kumain and SD card. Okay, nakabili na kami ng SD card 25628. Gusto ko sana 1 terabyte pero hindi siya available. Okay na yun.
Kaso, pagpunta namin doon sa all food stalls and even gaming area is closed. But luckily, we managed to buy SD card and that's the important thing why we're here. In Cebu, I noticed na kahit 8 PM pa lang, almost every store are closed.
Close na siya.
If you can live with fast food lagi, then sobrang hirap maghanap. And we end up trying sa Sugbo Mercado. If gusto mo ng sulit na food trip, Sugbo Mercado is the place to be. For as low as 200 to 500 pesos, you can enjoy a variety of dishes, from local street food to international flavor all in one spot. Dito mo mararanasan ang ultimate food crawl experience dahil iba't ibang stalls ang naghihintay sa'yo. Bawat isa may sariling specialty. May ramen, barbecue, milk tea, dessert, at kung ano-ano pa. Saktong-sakto for foodies at barkada bonding moments. Pero wait, there's more. Mas maganda pumunta dito sa gabi kasi makikita mo yung lively vibe ng lugar. Lights, music, at ambience na parang mini festival. Sobrang chill spot din to for tambay after a long day of exploring Cebu. Pero to be honest, hindi masyadong swak sa panlasa ko ang lasa ng iba nilang pagkain. Kung adventurous ka sa food trip at gusto mong ma-experience ang Cebu's night market vibe, Sugbo Mercado is still worth a visit.
Welcome to Paris, Cebu! Welcome to Buwan-Buwan!
Plastikan lang po kami.
Makakakita ng corals, pawikan at yung lalim na 50 meters sa ilalim ng tubig. Nakakatakot, oo, pero mas nakakagising siya ng kamalayan. Parang palala na rin ito na alagaan natin ang ating karagatan at panindigan ang responsibilidad natin bilang tagapangalaga ng kalikasan. Sa bawat dive, bawat tingin sa kagandahan sa ilalim ng tubig, nare-realize mong hindi lang basta adventure to. Mission din na protektahan ang yaman ng kalikasan.
Ikaw muna!
Tara na, magka-uniring! Let's go!
Ngayon naman, isang activity ang susubok sa'yo, both physically and mentally. May dalawang option ka. Pwede kang maglakad papunta sa ilog, which about 3 hours lang naman. Good luck, legs. Or mag-zipline para bawas hirap sa trek. Habang nakasakay nga kami sa motor, ay sobrang scary ng road. Lalo na paakyat ito at sobrang bilis nila magpatakbo. In my end, I know na mga bihasa na to sila and this is their daily job.
Mabuhay! Good afternoon! I'm Lee and welcome to Badian Canyoneering Adventure. So your guide tour guys also got Badian, the starting point of your canyoneering activity. Unexpected adventure in the zip line. You only walk 10 minutes going there.
This is our tour guide. Wow! Meron kaming free almond butter, granola bar.
Better than yours.
Welcome to Kawasan Falls!
Pero kahit anong piliin mo, handa kang harapin ang takot, lalo na kung takot ka sa height. Ito pa, 4 hours travel to, kaya asahan mong sasakit ang hita at paha mo habang umaakyat, bumababa at tumatalon. At bilang dagdag hamon, yung tubig, sobrang lamig. Pero wala kang choice kundi enjoy ang kagandahan ng mga falls dahil may 3 levels ito na bawat isa ay masariling ganda. Sa unang level, mararamdaman mo na agad ang energy ng Peak Falls. Pumapatak ng mataas pero sobrang linis at presko ng tubig. At para ma-reward ang pagod mo, pinakain pa kami ng super sarap na pagkain. Perfect pang recharge after ng intense adventure. Kung gusto mo ng thrill, ito na yon. Ayan, pag-uwi namin, trabaho lang ang attacking. I'm working late. Because I'm a singer. Hi guys, so we are going to, magagala na lang kami sa city. And we will eat some Cebu lechon. Parang yung OOTD niya, parang CEO na pabagsak na yung business. Welcome to House of Lechon! Bago ituloy ang lakad, kumain muna kami ng lunch dito sa House of Lechon. At grabe, hindi kami nabigo. Syempre, hindi pwedeng palagpasin ang sikat na Karkar Lechon. At legit, ito na yata ang pagkain na uulit-ulitin namin. Crispy, juicy, at sobrang flavor ng pagkain. Mapapadami ka talaga ng kanin. Aminin, ilang extra rice na ba to? Bonus pa, sobrang accommodating ng staff. Kaya hindi lang busog ang tiyan, pati puso dahil naramdam mo yung warm welcome nila. Sulit na sulit, babalik kami for sure. Okay, let's rate House of Lechon. Simula tayo kay... Ikaw, anong rate mo sa House of Lechon?
100%.
100% may percentage wala tong isang to. Ikaw?
10 over 10.
10 out of 10.
High blood out of 10.
Kawela.
Busog over 10, ganun.
Ako, 1,000 over 10.
Same na lang.
10 over 10.
$1 million over 10 po.
Ala, may dollar.
20 over 10.
Ay, may pina-extra. Welcome to
Temple of Leia!
Ang Temple of Leia or the Philippine version of Taj Mahal ay tinayo bilang simbolo ng pagmamahal at debosyon ni Teodorico Adarna, lolo ni Eden Adarna, para sa kanyang yumawang asawa na si Leia. Isa itong malaking structure na inspired by Roman architecture. Kaya mapapansin mo ang mga grand columns, statues at elegant design. Pero ito ang twist. Kapag pumunta ka doon, mapapansin mo na puno-puno ito ng Chinese collection tulad ng vases, figurines at iba't ibang antique. Nakakadagdag ito ng unique charms at kakaibang vibe sa lugar, making it a must-visit destination sa Cebu. Bumalik kami sa Ayala to play bowling and other games na gusto namin. Naghanap nga kami ng other best bar besides sa Icon, but we couldn't find fit for our vibe. Syempre, gusto namin mostly mga 25 na ang nasa loob ng bar. And above all, yung bar na ito is mostly mayroong mga Korean, UK, Chinese, American mix na sobrang mag-i-enjoy ka. That's a wrap for our Cebu trip. Sa totoo lang, Cebu is a place na babalikan mo talaga. From the masarap na pagkain, the chill na ambience, and super mabait na locals to the sobrang accessible na tourist spots, falls, beaches, bars, mall, it's the whole package. Pero syempre, hindi pa dito nagtatapos ang adventure. Guess where we're heading next? See you in our next trip.
So, pauwi na kami ngayon. Tapos, na-delay kami sa flight and then non-refundable yung kinuha namin ticket. So, therefore, kailangan namin mag-rebook. Nag-rebook kami and another fee na naman. Like, 15. Kasi kung magbabarko kami, same lang naman pala yung babayaran. Tapos, kapag barko, 24 hours. So, therefore, mas okay na lang mag-clean.
And, can you guess the place? Looking for a seasoned e-commerce marketing specialist, TikTok shop manager, or social media manager to take your brand to the next level? I've got over 6 years of experience working with 5 to 8 figure brand, helping me grow through influencer marketing, TikTok shop management, and viral content creations that convert into real sales. By the way, I also have my own shop, eKorea Shop, where you can find a variety of skincare, cosmetics, and more. You can check out on TikTok Shop, Shopee, Facebook, Instagram, and Lazada. We're also planning to expand in Shopify, Amazon, and Etsy soon. A little about me. I'm a mining engineer turned an e-commerce marketing specialist, a business owner. I've worked with global brands like Lenovo, helping them expand their reach in the USA, UK, and Southeast Asia. Here's a quick look at what I can do best. First is the influencer outreach and partnership. So, I collaborated with influencers, included verified accounts with 1 million plus followers to generate 10K GMV per campaign. Wow. And then I also do TikTok shop management, which is to grow shops to $30K a month in just a week sales and achieve consistent 5 to 8 figures monthly revenues. Wow. I also do social media growth. This is to create a viral content with videos hitting 9 million views and generating over 5K new leads. Wow. I also handle live events hosting, which is run by live selling events that generated over 100 plus orders daily. Wow. And I also do content creation and UGC, which is to do high quality videos, SEO optimized content, and over 1 million video views across platform. Wow! I'm also skilled in Shopify and Amazon integrations, ensuring smooth operations across multiple platforms to help you scale faster. Interested in working with us? Check out the full list of services in the link below. You can also connect me with my Upwork, LinkedIn, and official TikTok page. I love to hear from you and discuss how can we help you solve your challenges and grow your business. Let's get to work and make these big things happen together.